Bache, lagay mo dun sa aquarium ni mami mo.
Para makita mo yung fish.
Tatanong.
Bachi, ayun.
Di ba yan yung pinictura ni Sir Gavin?
Ayan o. Malaki o. Ano bang?
Oo. Ang ganda. Tilapia ata ito eh. Hello. Ang cute. Fish. Small fishes. That's just why you like fish. Saan ba yan? Ah, meron? May buhaya daw dito, guys. Tignan natin ang buhaya.
Atlas muna kayo. Okay lang. 1, 2, 3, smile. Lia.
Yun.
Smile.
Kita ko ito.
Ang laki oh.
Draw ko na yun.
Tara, baba na tayo.
Sige po.
Eh.
May kaliskis eh, parang bangos.
Ang bangus na malalapat. Picture kayo, Bi. Bi, picture. Picture, Bi, dun.
O, ano yun? Matangit yung isa.
Pasok na tayo. Meron pa dito. Ang ganda ko. Ang ganda to sa bahay. Lagay daw sa bahay. Turtle. Ha? Saan yung starfish?
Saan yung star? Hanapin natin.
Hanapin natin
Ay,
yung
mas malaki
starfish.
yun.
Ayun ba kayo? Walang starfish? Ha? Walang starfish? Alam natin starfish.
What is that?
Mga pata na isda oh. Nakakain ko eh. Sabi ni ito oh. Nakakain ko eh. Isda na pata. Dito.
Mom, may color pa yung fish.
Maliliit na isda. Ayun oh. Maliliit. Maliliit.
Ano ng BLD yan? Tiger Shark siguro, no?
Ay, may si Origin din. Oh.
Nakita mo ang mukha.
Pwede na ba yan kainin?
Hindi ka.
Hindi pa. Ano yan? Anong isda? Ayan, seahorse. Ayan, buranday. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Okay na pala si Nemo.
Oh.
Find Nemo.
No? Seahorse.
Where's Nemo?
Seahorse the Nakakalasong ata to eh. Ay, ang ganda. Nakakain ata tong isdang to eh. Sarap to sinigang. Ano isda ba yan? Ayan oh, ang laki oh. Ano isda to? Grabe, ang laki. Si Rapi. Si Rapi. Wala.
Hawak mo, hawak mo.
Ayan o. Ayan guys, mamahalin yung isda.
Uy, malaki! Look! Uy, malaki!
Hindi, pagkain mo. Lalo na ako, hindi ako sa mga lambat.
Ang daming tao. Holiday kasi. Ayan o. Daming tao.
Saan si baby dyan?
Lagay.
Ito, makikita mo yung dito.
Halika na. Halika na. Iniwan na tayo nila, ano? Daddy. Ay, ako si Daddy. Uy, dito!
Parang ganito yung ano eh. Ganito yung ano yung maliit na pagbunin dati. Ganda naman niya.
Ang tawag dyan?
Buwan.
Dito hindi gumagalaw.
Gulatin mo.
Snake.
Ayun o, snake oh.
Frog.
Ganda siya ito.
Snake pa.
You can be spider snake.
Kinain ako.
Picture B. Picture si Snake B. Picture B. Picture. Harap dito. Harap dito. Doon ka. Sa may head ng ano. Doon. Puro tulong. Picture.
Oh, yan, yan. Ayun o. Hindi ka man na.
So yan, papayaran po yan, and we also have sports. Now guys, do you think national has the ability to find hidden objects? Well, if yes, then you can do it, National! Go, National, find hidden object for us! Very good. And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, raise your cheer.
Here we go! Hello, everyone! Wow, what a nice entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. Nice and tasty. Thank you so much Vincent and Trainer John. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst with up to Red Sandra to win by Master Hour. And that is so fast. How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexiest? Ooh, nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. Now here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yup, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Have you noticed that even the best Navy diver would be used of? And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. So trainers, buddies, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march. Ready guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! This time, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In a count of 3, and everybody please salute and make this one loud. People of the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions is also to search and